Hi, this is Chad with Enso Alpha coming at you with just some updates on our flagship Enso Algo product, as well as AI Trend Map. Most of the changes we've made here in the newest version, version 2.5.5, I just changed the table size here, are going to be, very natural for you. They're not going to be anything different than you're already using if you're one of our early adapters. One moment, I just look placement. We actually called this trade out right down in here in our community as a trade book. So again, we're not financial advisors. You do all your own trades, you take your trades, but Enso Algo hopefully can give you a little bit of edge. And if anything, guide you on the trades and the direction of the overall market that you should be taking. A couple other things to call out here. Of course, we still have our market structure table. It's now defaulted as an option that you can check on. So anytime you want to make changes, feel free to turn them on straight from the settings in Enso Algo. You can access those from the gear here or from your object tree. All right. Right inside of here, you'll notice, I just noticed this. So on our calculated resistance support level, you'll notice it kind of sat here, hung around the level, and boom, breakout. So also had some confluence trend line here. Trend lines are on the roadmap, by the way, for Enso Algo, but in TradingView, trend lines are not easy to auto or chart there. So we're still working on that. A couple other things that are released on the back end in preparation for our major risk management update, which is long awaited and very, very exciting. I think it's going to be best risk management tools on the market for helping you backtest, which is a add-on that is going to be released as well, and kind of knowing what you should be doing as far as like how to refine your strategy. So again, those are your choices, your decisions, but we're trying to empower users and make it more simple. Speaking of simple, AI Trend Map is a beautiful indicator that has had a major facelift here. So you'll notice we see a white line. This represents the overall market sentiment or strength of any tickers or assets that you like to trade. So if you wanted to look at tech, you could do Apple, Microsoft, any of the Magnificent Seven, probably are calls. Nvidia, Google. Go. So now I have a AI trend map that's kind of directed at tech. And as you can see, kind of choppy waters here. Anytime the market is working really well, you're going to see that the assets move together. Okay. And NQ has been a lot less clean today. NQ is kind of the Ferrari of the futures world, or the NASDAQ if you're an options trader, or QQQ. We trade both. Personally trade both of those types of contracts, options contracts and future contracts. Oh, Algo looks like it made it out. Go ahead, turn a feature on, and then back off. Get that machine calculate. Sometimes that can happen depending on how busy TradingView servers are, how your internet connection is, or if just something didn't load on the back end right. That can happen. So easy solution, turn it on, turn it back off. So NASDAQ pretty choppy here today, and you can really see that clearly in our AI trend map. So I did not trade the NASDAQ today. We go back to ES, which is the futures of the S&P 500. Again, you can trade SPX, SPY, any asset you want to within Algo. Set these the futures indices. And last but not least, I'm just going to show you a couple observations and trades that I used for today. So we had a machine learning suggested sell right around 9 a.m. All right. At the open, pretty wicky. You had a attempt to kind of make some ground up here, and then a sell-off right immediately. So, kind of a bit of a false breakout. One thing that you could use the trend map for is taking a look at where the sentiment is. Anything above the 50 line is going to be bullish. Anything below is bearish. So we weren't able to reclaim that 50 line in 5 minutes. On lower time frames, it did reclaim the 50 line, but immediately lost it, which would be a quick cut. Not going to be breaks out. Of course, supply and demand are auto-calculated and charted. And we had kind of like a double bottom formation here on this demand zone, and then breakout of this chart. Started trend I called out. Beautiful trade. Valid. If you enjoy trading and you're looking to level up your game, Enso Algo is a great companion tool to have, as well as our other indicator suite of Trend RSI, AI Trend Map, and the other side of our community Discord. So come check us out, ensoalpha.com, and I hope you enjoy version 2.5.5. Happy New Year.